What's going on, everyone? It's Tafari here, back with another video. Today we're going to be talking about how you can make money with social media. All right, let's get into it. Okay, so you're obviously watching this video for few of the minimal reasons. You've been seeing people saying make money from my smartphone, making money on social media, making money doing this, making money doing that. And you decided to go to YouTube and just see if something like this can even be possible. If, your mind is very closed-minded. You just want to open it a little bit, so you decided to go on YouTube and do your research, get some information on how you can exactly do this. And I'm going to make this video just for you, just to show you that yes, this is possible. Yes, this is real. I'm going to show you some ways that you can do it and how you can go about it. It all comes on you to make a decision on what you want to do. So, one of the best ways to make money using social media is, you know, advertising products for people's companies, and that's what I like to call affiliate marketing. I'm just going to put it as AM, but it's called affiliate marketing. Basically, affiliate marketing is the process in which you're affiliated with a company, and you know you have this product that you really believe in, and you want to share it with anyone on social media. Basically, if you're doing it on social media, and affiliate marketing usually works around with network marketing, that industry. I mean, not the industry, that marketing model, but basically you're just sharing products to anyone and everyone who may be interested, and you can do this via social media. So, and what happens is they give you a little link that connects to you personally to you, and you can share this link with as many people as they want. And when someone purchases through your link, you'll receive a small commission or even a large commission, doesn't even matter, to make money just from being an affiliate. And you can do this all on social media. Think about the number of friends. Say if you have, you know, let's give an example like Uber rides. They don't give you actual cash, but their Uber is basically paying you to share your link or your referral code to your friends, and you'll be able to get $10, $5 off your next ride, and that's basically real money. It's just via Uber. Or you can do this with actual business. There's other companies out there who have products out there that you can share with their link, and you can share a link to all your friends on social media, or do using amazing marketing strategies that when you become more advanced and you're trying to make money online, you can share it, and you can bank off thousands and thousands or $100 a month simply from sharing a link on social media and marketing it in the best way possible. And this doesn't have to necessarily, this can be anything. This could be something you're passionate in. It doesn't have to be one simple product. It can be you know the iPhone that you enjoy using. You can share a link to purchase an iPhone, and if your friend's purchasing an iPhone through your link, you're going to receive a small commission off that. Yes, it is possible. So you should do some real research on this also. So say if all your friends are about to get the next iPhone, and you find you have an affiliate link for it, rather than them buying it just on their own, you send them your affiliate link and you're receiving a commission just for someone purchasing the iPhone. You don't have to work for Apple. No, you don't have to do no, you don't have to have a job with Apple and all that. You can just set up an affiliate contract, or or an independent associate, as a sales associate. You could share their products with them via your link. So that's the first way, is affiliate marketing. Now, another way you can make money using social media is managing other business owners' social media. And basically, this is, the Epic Ty Lopez, social media management course. I have a course myself linked in the description under development, but if you ever want to make money online using social media, managing other business owners' social media, it's basically the same thing. You're basically getting paid to bring business owners new customers using social media. And I do this myself. So you want to bring, social media management. This is another way you can make money using social media. So basically, you'll get paid to get a contract with a business owner, and you don't have to have some degrees, some stupid. You just have to have the knowledge. You want to get educated on this. You take the business owner, connect them to you. This is B2B sales. So you want to have B2B sales skills so you can make this contract with the business owner to you. Okay? And then that business owner is going to give you access to, all their social media, or whatever social media they prefer: Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, blah blah blah. And your job is to attract, local customers, or customers in general, to their business. So what happens? They bring them through the door and they make them more money. And what happens when they make more money? When they make money, this with your expertise, if you actually go out and learn how to, market businesses on social media, you'll be able to make monthly recurring payments of 1,000. This is what I usually see, 1,000 to $10,000 on average. You know, and you're probably thinking like, well, why will they pay me $1,000, $10,000 a month to manage their social media? Because you'll be making them way more money than they'll even be paying you. That's the whole goal. Your goal is to get them their ROI. Their return on investment. Like, just think about it. If they were to hand you $1,000 and you're able to bring them $10,000 in revenue, you don't think they'll pay you $1,000 a month? That's the whole goal with this, and that's why this is a great business model that you can get into. But you have to do your research. You have to learn everything that you need to know. You can't just jump into something like this. But you can make money doing this using your social media. So, the next thing you can do to make money with social media is becoming. Oh, let me erase this all. All right, okay. All right, the next thing you can do is becoming a social media influencer. So basically, what this is becoming someone really popular on social media. So a lot of celebrities are influencers, and what they do is, they basically put out a bunch of content to get to grow and become really popular. So they put out a bunch of content to grow and become really popular, and they use a bunch of marketing techniques to get really popular because the competition is growing. So they become a position of influence for whatever niche. So whether they're in the fitness industry or they like fitness and they post a lot of fitness stuff, whether they're the modeling industry, modelers are I consider influencers. Whether they're just a rap artist, they're also influencers. They're able to get really popular from the content that they put out, and they get really popular on these social media platforms like Instagram, YouTube, Facebook. They're able to put content out there. Yeah, even the motivational industry, and they become an influence on their fans. And what happens is, when they become an influence on their fans, they're able to monetize by basically doing affiliate marketing, but basically, just recommending products online. They're able to receive, you're able to get paid just to talk about someone's product. Have you ever seen someone with nice teeth and they just took a picture with some business, and what happens is, all their fans is going to be like, oh, she likes this product, her teeth is nice, I want to go check that out, let me go buy that product. And because so and so is buying it. Kim Kardashian, let's take her. She's a huge influencer, and there's other smaller influencers that can also do this. You don't have to do this. You don't have to have millions and millions of followers. You know, with Kim Kardashian, she takes a picture with, Colgate toothpaste. She just gets paid to do that because she's an influencer. She has a huge audience. What happens is they're going to pay her massive amounts of money simply because she's an influencer. Doesn't even have to be in the dental industry, but she has nice teeth or she looks pretty or whatever. And what happens, all her fans are going to go, it's going to increase the sales of Colgate simply because she is using it. Have you ever looked at a commercial nowadays? Most of these commercials, you know, most of these commercials use a lot of influencers, people who have huge followings, and it's because they understand that their fans know and like them and trust them, so their fans are gonna buy from these influencers. Think about it with Nike shoe. Why do you think people with popular Instagrams get the best shoe deals? It's because they understand that the the basketball players are huge influences in the basketball industry. So that means they're going to give them these huge contracts with their shoes because they understand that these huge contracts are nothing compared to the amount of money they're going to make back, and it's also going to be building their brand in the long run because they have powerful, they have strong beings in their niche backing up their brand. So think about it with Nike, think about it with all those companies out there. They're going to use people who have these huge fan bases. They don't even have to be good actors anymore. You could just have someone who has a huge popularity, and you're going to be in a commercial simply because you have the popularity. You're an influencer in the niche, and that means you can make money for any company out there. So basically, if you want to become an influencer, the basic steps to that, I'm not gonna, it's not deliberately super easy, but all you have to do is put out content that is, can go viral or get really popular. Keep doing it over and over and over again, but make it something that you feel like you are like connected with. It's a passion. I hear people call this passion for profits, and it's basically, become an influencer in your niche and making as much money as you can off of it. Also, if you're an influencer, you also can do affiliate marketing where you basically recommend products. But a lot of influencers like to, take advantage of all the free things that they can get, all the promotional stuff they can do. It's basically just marketing, celebrity influence, for whatever you're doing. So, yes, influencer is the third way you can make money using social media. So that's all I wanted to post today. There's so many other ways you can make money using social media. I just can go over and over and over about so many other ways. I can talk for a minute about this topic, but those are the big three things. You can go about managing someone else's social media, you can go become an influencer, or you can do affiliate marketing or selling your own products online using social media. There's so many ways you can make money using social media. It's all about you can learn all this shit, but it's all about whether you take action. So if you want to take some action, I have some free stuff below that you can get access to. It's a bunch of links, a bunch of free books that you can get access to. Starting an online business, some software, some tools that you may want to use. Click the link below and get access to those things. I can't wait to see you in the next video. I'm always here putting out content every single day. So hit that subscribe button if you want to become a baby dimension builder and start generating income online using social media, using any digital marketing method, doing all that jazz. I'm here to help. I'm here to help you grow, and I'm always putting out new content all the time with my life. So, can't wait to see you in the next one. I'm out. Hit that button below. Peace.